So today I'm going to be making my neck bones, and here they are. They're already pre-seasoned since last night. And what you're going to need is some gravy. You're going to need some garlic salt and some garlic powder. I also like to use complete seasoning, some potatoes, a slow cooker, water, which is fine because it's going to add the mixture to the gravy. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and peel your potatoes. Okay, so I'm going to peel those and then come right back. I like to add seasoning to my potatoes, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some just some seasoning salt on top of the potatoes. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is just take my neck bones, and I already have this turned on high, and I'm just going to add my neck bones to this. Add them to the crock pot. I know it's very important that you clean your neck bones. So last night before seasoning, I cleaned my neck bones. I like to let it soak in water and vinegar for about 30 minutes, and then I go ahead and clean them. And then I like to season them overnight because the seasoning really lasts. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my other seasonings. I'm going to take my garlic salt, sprinkle that. I'm going to take my garlic powder, sprinkle that. And then I'm going to take my complete seasoning, and I'm going to sprinkle that. So once it's finished, I forgot to tell y'all we're going to need onions. So you can use any type of onions. You can use white onions or green onions. So I'm just going to use a plain old white onion. I'm going to go ahead and chop this up, and then I'm going to add this to my pot. I went ahead and added my chopped onions. Now you're going to take the gravy, and then you're going to add that to the pot. And we're just going to take the powder and open it and sprinkle it. Okay. And I'm thinking one is enough. I was going to add two, but I'm just going to use one, which is just the regular gravy. I wish I would have used the onion gravy, but it's fine. Now I'm just going to take my potatoes and add them to my pot. And then I'm going to take some water, 1 cup of water, and then I'm just going to add that to my pot as well. All right, so once that's in, I'm going to go ahead and just throw on the lid. And we're going to let this cook for about 4 hours. And every hour, we're going to go ahead and mix that thing in, and we'll come back for updates. So we're going into hour 1.5. Go ahead and take the lid off so you guys can see what we're looking like. I'm going to go ahead and give this a stir. All right. So we got our gravy, got our potatoes. And what I also like to do during this time is also just take a little bit more seasoning and add it on top. Y'all, so we're coming in on hour 3. And I just want to show you guys what we're looking like. All right, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my rice so we can go ahead and eat.